Welcome back, folks. It's now time to take a look at an alternative way of using tags by exploring the Tag Cloud view. If you take a look at the top of the Keywords panel, you'll see we have a number of icons that give us various options. We've already seen the green plus icon and the red minus icon in action. They invariably lead us to either the addition or the subtraction of tags and categories. Next we have this little monitor icon with a tag in front of it, and this option, along with the next one, the little cloud with the letter T in the foreground, are two different viewing modes in which we can see the tags. The first one is the view we're currently in, allowing us to see the categories and tags in hierarchies, similar to how you'll see files and folders on Windows 7 or Mac OS X. The next option is a view we're going to be looking at throughout this video, the tag view. By the way, the next icon is one we'll be looking at later on in this chapter, something called people recognition. And then the final option, last but definitely not least, is just a tips button that's going to give you a suggestion and some tips on how to use this panel. Anyhow, go ahead and select the Tag Cloud view and you'll see all of our tags arranged in a textual form, which is designed to look a little like a random cloud of words, hence the name of the feature. You'll also see that the words or tags vary in size. Well, what's going on here is that the tags we've used more frequently are larger than the tags we've used infrequently, which are smaller, so it's easier to identify the tags we have most of. Anyway, I'm going to create a couple more keywords to show you how to proceed. So I'll come down to the tag selected media field and type London Zoo. I'll click the Create New Tag London Zoo option and then select the gorilla, which is the first of the London Zoo images, and then I'll click Apply. Now I'll click the little arrow icon to see all of the images inside the gorilla stack, and I'll click on the second one, and this time I can just drag the London Zoo tag out of the cloud and onto the image I want to tag. I'll do that for the next one, and then I'll go ahead and do the same thing for a few more images, a few more times, until I get the final image in this catalogue, which is the lion. I can now click the tag in the tag cloud to see all images with that specific tag, and then click it again to return to the previous view. Alright, I'll switch back out of the Tag Cloud view and back into the Hierarchy view, and notice that the London Zoo tag has been added to the Other category. Well, I don't want that at all, so I'll drag it down and put it into Places. Then I'll right click Other and choose the Delete command right here. I'll get a confirmation message come up, so I'll answer yes and we're as we were. And that really is it for the Tag Cloud. It's a really simple technique for tagging and finding images, just an alternative way of working than what we were doing when we were in the hierarchy view. And it's definitely worth knowing about, so you can use it when you see fit. In the next video we'll look at people recognition.